In rain, bro.
Okay, guys, this is the last step of checking the key. I have my colleague Alex here.
What up?
He's the coolest guy in the whole inventory dealership.
What can I say?
And this is my other friends too. Oh, sorry. Yeah, we are gonna checking the keys. These are the two keys. One of them is original, one of them is the one that I just made.
The honors?
Yes. And these dreams are for sale. If anybody wants them, just give me a call.
When they're off the car.
Okay, this one's the OEM, just to show you that we are legit here, we are OG here.
OG. Okay.
Works perfectly fine. And this car doesn't come with immobilizer. So immobilizer is an anti-theft system.
So anybody can steal it.
Yeah, it's a 2000 Acura, so it doesn't have an immobilizer, so it's a normal key, it doesn't have a chip inside. Let's try it out. I hope it works. Here it goes nothing. Yay!
Look at that, huh?
That's it. That's the only thing you would see in Diplomatic Racer. So that's the proof that I'm a racer. And that's the new key, delivered to the nice gentleman here.
Respect.
That's a nice car, that's a nice rider. And thank you guys for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.
Diplomatic Racer.
Give me a like and subscribe. Thanks. Okay guys, welcome to another video. My name is Ryan and you're watching Diplomatic Racer at the moment. I'm gonna show you guys how to cut the key. This is a key for Acura 2000 EL. Last time I showed you the process, but now I'm gonna take you guys more in depth to the video. So this is the safety class that I'm wearing right now. Without further ado, let's do it. So this is the original key and this is the second key. Basically there's a, let me open this up. There's a small line here that you gotta inline the key hole. You see there's a hole here. You gotta make it in line with the line that they have here. That's the line, and that's the line that the key maker machine has. Then you put the other key on the right side, the same thing that I explained. Then we are gonna make them in line with this tool that we have over here. So you should go through both keys at the same time. So I loosen it a little bit. These should be touching and this key should be touching this one at the same time. Okay, nice. And this is all good. And then I'm gonna adjust this one.
As deep as it goes. Okay. Like one is the deepest, then you push it in and lock it.
Okay.
Right there.
Then we basically do the same process on the other side. Okay, the both keys are ready. Now we are gonna check the car to make sure that it is working perfectly fine. This process was sanding the key for any like hard chips on the key to make it smooth and not to cut anything. So let's see how it works on the car.